I work with Thorncrete Construction here in Ontario, Canada. We are in the road infrastructure business. We pour concrete and sidewalk, plus do manhole and catch basin adjustments. We're working on a subdivision in Oakville, Ontario. It's requiring some curb now that Condrain has prepared for us. And we are up and going with our newly purchased GPS Topcon machine.
When Topcon approached us to go GPS, for us it was a really big investment. And it was a big challenge. You know, we took a risk, not realizing if it's going to work or not. Technology-wise, I mean, all the technology, the first time you look at it, it's overwhelming. You go, wow, how are we going to get this done? But it's not as hard as people think it is.
Myself and my crew, we're skeptical because of the work that was involved trying to make it look good and getting the job done right in that sense. But from then to now, I'm quite impressed.
It took them about 2-3 jobs. Without the string line, you don't know where you're going, so you just, okay, this is where the curb goes, let's start pouring. So, and you have nothing to measure off. So that's pretty scary. But after a couple of jobs, you kind of get the feeling for it, and it's mind-boggling that this machine can just go on its own and you just sit there and watch it. Where they're used to, you know, the string line, make sure the string line's there, it's bent, it's crooked, it's broken. One of the first advantages was eliminating the string line altogether, which would cut back on labor, time, we're not buying material, concrete not being wasted, and it's much more precise.
Work-wise, I think the finished product is better. I think we can do production a lot better. We can do more. We're eliminating the string line. That's basically what we're doing, and it's running a lot faster, right?
I think this is job number 7 or 8. I don't want to jinx myself, but things are going as smooth as they can get. We can work hand in hand with the people building the roads. They're all on the same system, and it makes it a lot easier to share that information. We can download it instantaneously, and we're up and going same day.
Once you learn the system, it's incredible how quick you can go. GPS system, I would think, is about 1.5 times quicker to 2 times quicker than string line. It looks like you're moving at a slow pace, but by the end of the day, you've accomplished so much more.
Now it really comes down to speed. And so far with the GPS system up and going, as fast as the machine can run and as fast as we can get concrete on the job site, we are at max capacity, and that's what we were planning for, and that's what we got.
The way it's working, it's going to be incredible. I mean, we can get 25–30% more out of this machine than we can from the other ones. And that's important because it changes the bottom line completely, and it makes you more competitive out there in the market.
With any other projects that come our way that are run with GPS, we no longer have to say, we can't help you. We're there, we know exactly what's going on now, and Topcon has got everything perfect and up and running for us. Absolutely, that's opened up quite a few avenues. I can see within the near future, I don't think one is enough.
I would think that this next machine around, the 3rd machine, it's gonna give us the edge that people don't have right now. You know, when it comes time to let's get this job done real quick, they're gonna have to call us. We're the only ones that have this machine available.
It's the best thing that could have happened in the construction industry, and would have been nice 5–10 years ago, but the technology now, we're glad we have it on our side. And it's just, that's going to be the way of the future, and I can't see turning back.